How to use sentence openers in less than 3 minutes. What is a sentence opener? A sentence opener is the way you start your sentence. Do you start it with a verb, an adverb, a subject, a preposition, or maybe something else? So let's look at how this plays out. Let's start with a sentence. How about, early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp? In this case, we have an action verb, established. Who or what is doing that verb? Early explorers are doing that verb. So explorers is our subject. Early is an adjective that describes explorers. We're just going to call that whole phrase, early explorers, our subject. So we have a subject sentence opener because early explorers opens our sentence. What if we wanted it to be a prepositional sentence opener? Remember, I look at the chart on the wall with the black background, and if I can pick any of those prepositions off there and figure out a way to start my sentence with it, I've done it. Here's an example. In 1607, early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp. What about an adverb? Just start with an ly word. Surprisingly, early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp. What about an ing sentence opener? These ones can be a little bit more confusing. How about this? Not thinking about why no Indians were around, early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp. So the question is your subject doing the inging? Well, explorers is my subject, and they were the ones not thinking. So yes, my subject is doing the inging. That means this is a true ing sentence opener. Had I said, not thinking can cause problems, in this case, thinking is actually my subject, and it wouldn't be considered an ing sentence opener because I'm opening with my subject. What about clausal sentence openers? Use when, while, where, since, as, if, although, because, and some other words as clausal sentence openers. But if you can figure out a way to start your sentence with one of these, you've done it. Your sentences will combine two ideas with a comma, and it'll look something like this. Although it would appear that they had many options, early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp. So this red part here is the clausal section that I added. Notice it starts with although. What's interesting about a clausal sentence opener is you can kind of think about the sentence as being backwards. What if it looked like this? Early explorers established Jamestown in a swamp, although it would appear they had many options. In this case, it's a subject sentence opener with that clause just tacked on the end. But when we put it at the beginning, it's considered a clausal sentence opener. Very short sentence openers, 5 or fewer words. How about this? Disaster awaited. So we have 6 sentence openers. Subject, prepositional, adverb, ing, clausal, VSS. How to use them? Use them to add fluency, clarity, and interest to your writing. Good luck. I know this was more than 3 minutes. Leave me alone.